The hijacking begins at a distance. Before the tumor even physically touches the fat cell, it sends out signals through the fluid-filled space between cells. The first delivery mechanism is exosomes, microscopic membrane-wrapped parcels. Think of them like messages in a bottle. The cancer cell packs these exosomes with corrupted genetic instructions, specifically microRNAs, and releases millions of them into the surrounding fluid. When a healthy fat cell absorbs one, it reads the instructions: shut down your master identity genes. The cancer also secretes WNT proteins directly into the fluid. These drift over and dock onto fat cell receptors, triggering a chemical cascade that suppresses the genes required to maintain the cell's normal identity. By the time the cancer physically arrives, the fat cells have already been reprogrammed to serve it. The reprogrammed fat cell undergoes a radical transformation. That plump water balloon deflates. The single massive lipid droplet shatters into chaotic tiny fragments. Under an electron microscope, the hijacked fat cell looks wrinkled and exhausted, a shadow of its former self, and its job description has been completely rewritten.